In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to remove the flashlight from your iPhone lock screen. Unfortunately, there isn't a way to permanently remove the flashlight button. However, there is a simple workaround that can help prevent accidental activation. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Display and Brightness. Then scroll down again, and you'll see an option called Raise to Wake. Simply toggle off the switch next to the Raise to Wake option. This feature allows your phone's display to turn on when you lift it up. By disabling this setting, you reduce the chances of accidentally hitting the flashlight button when your phone is in your pocket or bag. Then go back to the main settings page and tap Accessibility. Then tap Touch. Scroll down a bit and toggle off the switch next to the Tap to Wake option. By turning off the Tap to Wake feature on your iPhone, you can prevent accidental activation of the flashlight when your phone is locked. This means that you won't trigger the flashlight unintentionally when tapping or moving your phone. While this may not completely remove the flashlight from the lock screen, it can effectively prevent any unwanted activations. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.